Now we start with the third type of question. Verify that 2, -3 and 4 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial px is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. Also verify the relation between the zeros and the coefficient of the px. So we need to first of all verify these are the zeros of this polynomial or not, and then we have to verify the relation of the zeros and the coefficients. So first we need to verify. We have given the polynomial, that is px is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. So for the very first zero, that is 2, so we need to verify. So we will put the 2, we will find the p2. So 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square minus 10 into 2 plus 24, that is equal to 8 minus 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12 minus 20 plus 24. Yes, now we can see that 24 plus 8 and 12 plus 20 here, and we can get 0 here. Yes. Now for the relation minus 3, we will find p minus 3 here. Yes. So we have got minus 3 cube minus 3 square minus 10 into minus 3 plus 24. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, but we will get minus 27 since the cube of the negative digit will be the negative 1, and minus 3 3 square, that is again 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, minus 30 plus 30, it will become plus 30 since 3 10s are 30, and plus 24. So we have got 30 plus 24, that is 54, and 27 plus 27, that is also equal to 54, minus 54 plus 54, that is also equal to 0. So we have verified here. So we have verified here for the P2, that is also equal to 0. It means 2 is the 0 of this cubic polynomial, and minus 3 is also, we have verified that also a 0 of the given cubic polynomial. Now we have to find out for the 4. We will again do the same procedure, that is P4 we will find out, and that we will put the value instead of x, we will put the 4 here. 4 cube minus 3 into 4 square minus 10 into 4 plus 24. Yes, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, minus 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48, minus 40 plus 24. So we have got 88 minus 88, that we have got the 0 here. So we have verified here also that P4 is also a 0 of the given polynomial, that is the polynomial we have x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. We have verified instead of x, we have put the value 4. Now we have verified these 3, that all these 3 are the zeros of the polynomial. Now we have to verify the relation. So how could we verify the relation? We know that the relation we have alpha plus beta plus gamma. We need to first of all find out. Yes, so we have alpha, that is 2 plus minus 3 plus 4, that is equal to 6 minus 3, that is equal to 2. Yes, and we know that that is also equal to, it should be equal to minus b upon a, that is equal to coefficient of x square and coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x cube. Upon coefficient of x cube. So 6 minus 3, that is equal to 3, and we can see in our polynomial, that is x cube minus 3x square, that is also equal to 3 here. So we have got the we have verified the relation for the alpha plus beta plus gamma. Yes, now we have to find out for the second one, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Now we have the zeros, that is alpha is 2. So 2 into minus 3 plus beta gamma, that is also equal to, I want to capture this, all the zeros and the process working also in this. So beta is minus 3 here into gamma, that is 4, plus gamma alpha, that is 4 into 2. Yes, now minus 6 minus 12 plus 4 to the 8. So just calculate this. What we have got? 12 plus 6, that is minus 18, plus 8, that is equal to minus 10. So it should be equal to C upon A. Yes, and C is the constant, and upon coefficient of x cube. Yes, we have got minus 10 here. Just compare with the polynomial that we have already given here. Yes, so here that is minus 10. Yes, so I have mistaken here, that is not constant, that is coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. Yes, I thought it is of quadratic one. C is the constant in the quadratic one. Sorry. So minus 10, and we have minus 10 here. That is also the coefficient of x upon 1. That is, we have got minus 10 here. So we have verified. Now, and the last one we have to verify for the alpha, beta and gamma. That we have alpha is equal to 2 here, and beta is equal to minus 3, and gamma is equal to 4 here. So 2 into minus 3 into 4, 8 into minus 3, 8 is minus 24. That should be equal to minus d upon A, that is equal to minus constant upon coefficient of x cube, that is also equal to, let's compare. We have got minus 24. Let's compare with the polynomial that is given to us. See,